How to update apps on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the Play Store. Tap on a profile icon from the top right corner. Now tap on a Manage Apps and Device. Here you can see updates available option. Tap on Update All to see all updates. Tap on See Details. Here you can see list of all available app updates that pending on your device. Tap on Update to specific app update on your device. If you want to update all at the same time, tap on Cancel All button. Now tap on Update All button from the top right to update all button to update all apps at once on your device. You can also find using specific app setting. Open the app drawer, long press the app, tap on eye icon. Now scroll down. Here you can see app details in store. Tap on it. Now here you can see update button if available app update on your device. Tap on update to update specific app on your Samsung A55 and other Samsung device. So it's quite easy to update app on Samsung Galaxy A55 device. That's it. If you like it, share it.